my heroes. I'm bringing out the ecom. I'm gonna do an efficiency. They gotta send me to see if the boiler's working good, cause I gotta do a DEP. In that one building, it's two. So let's call this 2 buildings, 1 boiler man. Starring Lamar Brandon Camel. I'ma do this building, then do the next one, and see what's going on. I gotta test a couple things out. The fresh air fan, the smoke alarm, all that stuff, because I'm the boiler hero.
Appreciate you.
They called it in. They said to do a DEP test on both these boilers. So which means I'm testing the fresh air fan, smoke alarm to make sure the smoke alarm turns off the boiler, the sail switch turns off the boiler. I'm gonna do an efficiency, do all that good stuff.
Gas booster.
I gotta do 2 buildings. It's all good though.
This gas booster is horrible. Alright. So this is 1660 where we at right now.
The other building I gotta do is right around the corner, so it's not that bad.
Let's get this bad boy on and see what's going on. Man, that sounded horrible. Right now they're oil. Running oil right now.
The first thing I would want to check is the sail switch. That should be the easiest thing. It's right there. Just push it in. See if the boiler turns off. It takes a little bit, but it shouldn't take that long. I'm already getting that feeling that it's not turning off the boiler.
Nothing.
This must mean that it's jumped out somewhere, or it's not fully running the way it's supposed to with the limits.
It's about to fire.
That was pilot. Here goes main flame.
This doesn't work for some reason.
I'm gonna have to write that down, that the fresh air fan doesn't work, or at least doesn't turn off the boiler. It works, but it doesn't turn off the boiler. Next is the smoke alarm. Gotta bring out the smoke alarm for the 120 seconds and see if it shuts off the boiler. I'm pretty sure it does though. The smoke alarm always will shut down the boiler if it's working properly.
Hold on, give me 10 seconds. Well, nah, it'll be 120
I didn't
seconds.
want to shut the smoke alarm off just to talk to him because I would have to wait again, but whatever.
What happened?
No, we heard the noise. I got my boss. They wouldn't know what's going on.
Oh, nigga, I would have kept it running.
I know you can run it back, Jake.
I'm the boiler man.
Hey, how you doing?
Boiler man.
Super labor here, whatever the fuck.
I called the super and the management. They know I'm here, and you know whatever. But I'm just here to do a couple tests. I'm not gonna run it.
What's
you know.
your name, good brother?
Lamar.
Lamar. I let them know that you got Lamar down here from the boiler company.
They got people doing construction in the building. Guess he's like the construction manager. Like nobody communicates in this field, man. The building gotta tell people like, yo, the boiler man's gonna be there, but they don't. That's why they heard the buzzing and it went crazy. But I understand it. They don't get me mad. I'm taking efficiency while testing the smoke alarm, or at least I can get my numbers right while the smoke alarm is ringing.
Let's see if it turns it off. It worked.
So yeah, the smoke alarm does work. It counts to 120 seconds and it shuts the boiler off. So we don't gotta worry about that.
So now we're gonna let it fire.
But what we do gotta worry about is that right now it's running on oil and I gotta run it on gas. And it's like, if they got gas, why would they run it on oil? The only reason they would run it on oil with the spark ignition is because there's no gas in the building. It happens like that sometimes. Found some old equipment down in the pit. It's crazy. The boil on manual, set it to low fire if I can take low fire efficiency. I know it's going into low fire by that screeching noise. That's the air being cut down. It sounds something like that. Dual fuel panel. Thinking about making my own. Put the probe in so we can take efficiency. Making sure the numbers are good. We on oil. Number 2. You gotta give it time to analyze. Let it work itself out.
I guess we gotta see why it's not running on gas.
I usually do both sides of fuel, gas and oil. But if they don't have gas, I gotta figure out why. I'm pretty sure somebody knows, but nobody told me. But I gotta figure out why it doesn't run on gas. I'm gonna try to run it, see if it goes into safety. If it does, I'll try to figure out why. Most likely this gas booster looks pretty old and shot, so I'm not too sure, but we're gonna check.
Sure. There's gotta be a reason why.
I figure I'd go find the super or somebody I can maybe ask why there's no gas, or maybe somebody knows that somebody turned it off or there was a leak or something like that. There's got to be somebody who knows what's going on with the gas before I just go ahead and try it. If I can't find nobody, then I'll just try it and see what I can find. But I'll try it safely. So I found nobody. So I'm like, whatever. I'll just try it. I'm a professional. I can make this happen. Just check the gas booster a little bit. I don't feel the gas booster moving.
Let's see if fire is
But
on gas.
we'll see.
This is on. Gas.
I'm making sure the circuit breaker for the gas booster is on to make sure nobody turned it off, at least that, or if it didn't trip. Boom. Boiler went into safety. There is no gas. The gas side is not working.
I gotta check. See why. Might be not enough gas.
The fact that it was running on oil tells me that people know that there's something wrong with the gas, because somebody had to put it on oil, and whoever put it on oil, I'm sure, knows that something's wrong with the gas. Ain't nothing I could do. Just move on to the next one. We switched it back to oil. It has a 2-minute delay. We'll just start packing up. Make sure the boiler turns on. And that's it. That locking bar you see in the back, that's the boiler they use in the summertime for hot water. It's good to have 2 boilers like this. Like I said earlier in the video, the other building's right around the corner, so I could easily just walk there. I'm gonna put the stuff in my van because I don't really need it. They don't want me to do efficiency. They just want me to take pictures of the gas booster, making sure everything's done. I believe they have a new gas booster, so let's see if we can find it.
Anybody know where the super's at? You know where the super's at?
He should be here. No, just check outside.
I ain't really seen nobody who looked like the super outside. I ain't gonna hold you.
They tell me to check outside. I'm gonna check outside. I don't really see nobody. Check around the little gate, jump off, but I don't see nobody.
Yeah, ain't nobody outside.
Well, since I can't find nobody, I might as well do what I gotta do. Maybe find the boiler room, find the gas booster, and just take the pictures and dip. So that's the boiler room right there. I'm looking for the gas booster. It's not in the boiler room.
Let's go over there. Gas line goes this way, goes that way.
That's the best I can do. Trace the gas line and boom, it leads me to the booster. It all looks brand new, so I guess that's what they want me to take pictures of to show it was done and completed.
Big plate.
That's pretty much it. We took our pictures, we did our DEP jump off on the other building, and we're done. I guess we didn't need the super for this one. We got our pictures. Oh, my heroes. We're done with that one. Simple, but yet efficient. Not really. We got parts that we gotta come back for, like that fresh air fan. It's not turning off the boiler, why not? Something's gotta be wrong with the wiring. Are we the ones to fix it? Yes, we are. But until next time, my heroes. And don't forget, it's Boiler Heroes.